In this session, let us learn about Python MongoDB limit. Limit the result. To limit the result in MongoDB, we use the limit method. The limit method takes one parameter, a number defining how many documents to return. Consider you have a customers collection. See here, this customers collection that we have created. Limit the result to only return 5 documents. See here, just we have limit only 5. See, my call find limit by using the limit function. See, only 5 documents were printed. Okay friends, this is the end of part 11 Python MongoDB limit. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Python reference. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.